Police sergeant dies at hospital days after gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A policeman who was shot last Thursday outside his Portmore home has died at hospital, Links 007 TV News has heard. The deceased has been identified as Sergeant Patrick Mahoney, who was assigned to the St. Catherine North Police Division. It was reported that sometime after 9 p.m., the sergeant was called out of his home and explosions sounding like gunshots were heard. When the shooting subsided, it was discovered that the sergeant had been shot. He was rushed to a hospital where he underwent emergency surgery. The Police Federation had issued an urgent appeal for a blood donation for the injured cop. Links 007 TV News will have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.